Okay, this is the Blind Man Handyman, and I'm now getting ready to. First, I'm going to plumb all the lines so no dirt gets into it and dirt can't fly uphill. So I'm blowing all these out. So actually, there's a little plug on the bottom of this. I'm going to take that off. Bye bye. So let me just blow these out, just for security reasons. Better to be safe than oops. So that's blowed off. Next thing we're going to do is my filter. So I got some silicone lube here in there. I've already lubed it a bit. Just want to make sure. Where's my filter? Here, filter. So my filter's here. Just want to go. You want to go around, just lube it all. It's been lubed once. So just make sure. So lube the filter, and we're gonna go down. We're gonna put that filter on. I might have to move stuff around, but right now I'm doing just, we're gonna be getting this in there. So I didn't do with the filter on, this is all, want to get it all clean. Okay, doesn't have to be Herculean. It's pretty good. Next line. Here's the lines here. That one there is the out, so that returns back to the tank. Make sure it's clean. I didn't open anything up on the engine yet. Oops. Locked. Now we're going to return back to the tank. You gotta spin it around. Don't worry about that. That's, it may creak and make a bit of noise, but it's just belly aching. So it's right there. That's in, and then lock the lock. Made a nice little click. And I have another hose. Okay, it could be down here somewhere. Okay, this is the other hose. This is the fuel coming from the engine. It's right here on this T. So it comes from the engine. And put that on. Clicky click. That's on now. So that's those hoses. I might have to do a little bit of playing around with it to make sure nothing's kinked. So now, did you pause it?
No, I was accidentally hit it, but
I heard something. Okay, so I got a new filter, which is important to know what to do. So we have, this is the incoming fuel. So incoming, then it goes through this little piece here, which is the injector return. So I don't want to put it down in my hole yet because I'm going to have to. I'm going to have to lift that out after. So, no, I'm going to leave this one off because it's filtered. That should be fine. And then I have my, let's leave that out for a second. I have my long hose. This is it here. This is the this is the one that, so fuel's gonna be coming down this one, going into the piece down here. So these are, okay, these are capped off. You see it? I didn't notice that. So they're capped off, so I can actually leave this right to the end. I'm actually gonna pop these off, blow them out to make sure they're clean, because I've been fooling around with it. Could have some dirt in there. Let's put these plugs back in. Switch them around. There's something different with this. Do something different with that. It's better that way. Okay. So we'll plug this off. So my next part of this is now I have to open it up and everything's vulnerable here. And this is where you could basically ruin the engine. So you got to be very careful. I've already unplugged this. I've blown this out many times. So I'm going to take this off and look at the screen. I'll get someone else to help me look at the screen. And we're going to pause there for a minute.